Want to order DTF transfers from Discovery Lancer but have questions about how to use the gang sheet builder? In this tutorial, we'll walk you through uploading your design, arranging your artwork, removing white backgrounds, and changing artwork colors so you can place your order with confidence. First, let's start a gang sheet and go over how to upload artwork. Navigate to the DTF section of our website and click on Direct to Film Transfers. Be sure to note the requirement specs for printing before selecting your desired sheet size. Once the gang sheet builder is open, you'll have the option to start a new gang sheet, open a previously ordered gang sheet, or auto-build a sheet. Let's start a new gang sheet. Click Upload Image in the top left to upload your design. Click on the uploaded design to add it to your gang sheet. You can upload multiple designs. Continue clicking on the design until you reach your desired number of artworks on your gang sheet. Now let's arrange your artwork. Use the corners of each artwork to resize as desired. Select and right-click on any artwork for additional quick edits, including copy, paste, delete, add quantity, crop, and front-back arranging. For best results, use the Auto Nest button in the top right. This feature automatically arranges your artworks to use space efficiently by minimizing wasted space and maximizing the number of artworks per gang sheet for cost-effective production. Next, we'll go over removing white backgrounds from images. First, upload your desired artwork. An auto warning will appear if the builder detects a white background. Click Remove Background. Inspect the quality of the auto removal, looking for any stray white areas the removal did not detect. To remove stray white areas, simply select the region and then click Remove. Once all white areas have been removed, click Apply in the bottom menu. Now you can add, arrange, and edit your new backgroundless artwork as desired. Now let's go over how to change artwork colors. First, upload your design. Add the design to your gang sheet, and then click the Edit Image button on the left menu. Click on the Color Tools option. Next, click Select Color on the right menu. Then on your artwork, click the color you want to change. Next, on the right menu, click on Replace With, and select the color you wish to change to. Finally, click Replace to apply the color change, and then Apply to save your work. From there, add, arrange, and edit your gang sheet as desired. When you're satisfied with your gang sheet build, click the Save and Add to Cart button at the top. Name your gang sheet design and review the checklist before clicking Add to Cart and exit. You can also choose to add this design to cart and begin a new design. Review your cart and always preview your design to ensure everything is correct. Next, select your desired quantity and update your cart before proceeding to checkout. Once you've added your shipping, contact, and payment info, you're all set. Your gang sheet is built and your DTF transfers order has been placed. Need help with anything else? Our team is here to help every step of the way. And don't forget, DTF transfer orders over $99 ship free with a flat rate of just $12.95 for all other DTF transfer orders.